1 out of 5 stars, what would you give the Kindred team? Go.
5. Absolutely a 5.
5, of course.
Oh, definitely 5.
5. Absolutely.
Oh my gosh, 10 stars, hands down. He is awesome.
Everybody is so nice and knowledgeable, and they just were so patient and helped us find exactly what we needed.
Great service, great knowledge, just seems to have a good pulse on the market.
David's just always super responsive if we have a question about a listing, or we're just starting to work with him, so he's been really open and welcoming with everything that we've needed.
He is always there with you, and he knows how to just kind of make things work for you.
Oh, David was very professional and really treated us like we were the only clients that he had at the time. It was very nice. We were long distance. He did a great job helping us relocate at the time.
Very personable, answered all our questions, helped us with any needs that we had.
I would give them 5 stars. They did an amazing job selling our home and then finding our new home in Poway. Seriously, everything that we were looking for, every box checked. It was awesome.